Hello and Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome back to another video. Hope you all are doing well. Today's video is all about biryani and just the biryani. How many of you are the fans of hyderabadi biryani? If you ask me, I love it a lot. Today I am not making proper hyderabadi biryani, but this biryani will be in my style. I know most of you all knew how to make biryani, but we always feel that making of biryani takes a lot of time. Even I used to feel the same before trying this style of biryani. This recipe consumes less time and also gives the best taste. And it will never make you feel tough when you think about making biryani next time. I took handful of washed mint leaves, then chopped them along with coriander leaves and kept them aside. For this biryani, I already washed and kept the chicken aside. Here I am taking 800 grams of mutton. These mutton pieces are curry pieces. Actually, my husband brought this for curry, but I am using it for biryani as it is already available at home. Now I am adding 2 teaspoons of ginger garlic paste, salt to taste, 2 teaspoons of red chilli powder, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, half teaspoon of cumin powder, 2 teaspoons of coriander powder, 2 teaspoons of biryani masala. This is actually homemade biryani masala. I have already posted a video on making biryani masala. If you have missed to watch it, I will add its link in the description box. Then adding half teaspoon garam masala, 1 cup curd, juice of 1 lemon. Chop mint and coriander leaves, keeping few mint and coriander leaves aside to add while preparing biryani rice and also for garnishing purpose. Finally, I am adding 1 teaspoon of dried fenugreek leaves. It's also known as kasuri methi. Now it should be mixed for 2 to 3 minutes properly so that the pieces will absorb the marinade's flavors and makes it tastier and juicier. I will keep this aside and will start preparing other required things. Here I am washing basmati rice. This cup is equal to 1.5 cups of measurement cup. So I took 2 such cups, which is equal to 3 measurement cups. Now I am taking 3 big onions and slicing them. Now I am parallelly preparing biryani rice and frying the onions. For frying onion, here I took 1 cup of oil. Here I am adding raw spices to the water. I took bay leaves, green cardamoms, black cardamom, cloves, cinnamon stick, sajira, chopped mint and coriander leaves. Oil is heated now, so I am adding onions and salt. Here I am adding oil to the water, closing this with lid to bring it a boil. I am sauteing it on high flame for 3 to 4 minutes. After that, I will switch the flame to medium and saute it till the onions turns into golden brown color. I have also posted a video on how to make and store fried onions. I will add that link also in the description box. In this I am adding 2 cloves, 2 cardamoms and 1 cinnamon stick. It is up to you whether to add or not. It actually gives good flavor to the onions. Here onion turned into brown color. Now I am taking it out. Here water is boiling. Now I am adding salt and 1 teaspoon lemon juice. Now adding soaked rice to the water. We'll give it a mix and we'll let the rice cook up to 80%. Now adding the marinated mutton into this oil. I am keeping few fried onions aside for garnishing, and remaining onions I have added to the mutton. Here rice is cooked up to 80%. After straining the water, I am adding rice to mutton. Then adding some food color, little ghee, birista, mint and coriander leaves. Now I am keeping a pan on the stove, then keeping the biryani handi on the pan. I am covering the handi with a wet cloth and on top of it I will put the lid. Here I am keeping a heavy weight using a modern pestle. This setup helps to lock the steam. I will allow it to cook for 10 minutes on high flame, then on a low flame for 20 to 25 minutes. Meanwhile, I have given a task to my kids to separate corn kernels from the cob.
Afghanistan. The world's oldest oil paintings
You can see them here that how they are into it with so much of dedication. Kids always like to try new things. Also, these kind of activities improve motor skills in the kids. Both of them finished doing it and my younger one is shifting all of them into a cover as well. Biryani is done now. After turning off the flame, we should leave it for 15 to 20 minutes. Look at this biryani, how great it is looking, and the taste is really matching the looks. Don't miss to try this biryani. As I said in the beginning, comparatively it can be prepared in less time and it is tasty too. In the evening we went to mall as my kids were feeling like to eat cake. Here I tasted smoky flavored fish, but I did not take as it was not my type in terms of cooking style, though it was good. Kids are enjoying their cakes. I hope you also enjoyed and learned few new things watching my video. If you liked my videos, please give a thumbs up. Share with your friends and family members, and please subscribe my channel Ammi's Paradise. We'll see you in next vlog. Till then, take care. Bye. Allah Hafiz.